Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Quick Tips. This is an Alfa Romeo 156. This problem here with the side skirt, it's a problem with all of the models. Mainly because when you jack up your car, you bend upward this sheet metal here. Down here. The problem with this car was not just, it was not a failed jack lift. It was the tire blew up because of that arm, the upper arm of the suspension. It was really bad, and it blew up my tire because of bad camber. The solution for this is not just to put some screws in here and hope for the best. You have to understand what happened, and the best thing you can do to hold up again this side skirt, take out your cover, wheel arch cover, put some protection in this sheet metal here. Gently, with your hammer, hammer down this area here. And you will notice this side skirt here trying to mate with this piece of metal here. In this case, it was a little bit more serious because the car actually dragged on the ground, and I have the sheet metal inside there bent. I have to reach it with something and hit down that area in there. Okay? But this is just a quick tip. Do things properly. I have to paint all this and stuff. Do not just hit with a hammer because you have some screws, you have some nuts and washers. Be careful. Try to protect all of your paint while you are in there. Try to clean this and apply some protective paint. So my tip is, do not just screw here some bolts, because you are drilling on your sheet metal. You will have some more corrosion. You have to understand. My point is, you have to understand what caused this to come out. It is this sheet metal in here that is bent. So here it is. I just hit inside here with a long tube and a hammer on top, and the sheet metal went down, and now the side skirt is much more close. Yes, it is broken in here, that's why it doesn't go all the way, but now is in the place that I'm happy to just glue with double-sided tape, the proper one. Glue this down, no holes, no nothing. Clean this up, paint, and it is okay.